nail queens, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a review of a new glass file set from a company called Germaniküre, and they sell these products on Amazon. Now, I mean new as in new to me, not new to the market. They've probably been around for a while, but I bought this on Amazon a week ago, and I'm so excited to show you guys this set. I was very intrigued that it comes in like this leather-like case. Unlike my other glass files that come in like a plastic sleeve or no sleeve at all, this one comes in its own protective case, which is great for traveling, and it came with 4 different unique glass products. I was very intrigued with the packaging and the branding. I had never heard of this company before, and I'm like, I need to order more cuticle pushers, so let me check this out. So it comes with a mini glass file and a full-size glass file. These are incredibly beautiful, I must say. Now, it comes with 4 different products, and I'm very excited about this one because this is the main reason I purchased it. I needed to restock on these glass pushers, like cuticle pushers and like the pointy ends. I needed a new one, so I was like, let me try out a different company. So it's got a pretty sharp end, I will say. And this other product, y'all, I have not seen another company other than BonaFide Beauty have like an Ergo file. I don't know if it's patented by BonaFide Beauty, but that's what I'm calling it. So these curved files, it's a curved file. So this is my BonaFide one in the blue, and I will say that the textures are very different. BonaFide's glass is like nice and smooth where you actually grip it and hold it. Obviously it's gritty and etched here in the grooves. The file portion of it is not smooth, and that part is meant to actually use to file, and I use it to file my dip powder. And the pink and purple one is the same concept. Obviously it has a smooth glass handle, whereas the Germaniküre one has an interesting like chalkboardy texture, I will say. So I'm going to put this to use and try it around my dip powder manicure. I'm going to try it on this manicure, see how I like it, and I'll give you guys my final thoughts at the end. While I'm filing away, I want to show you guys all the different products that Germaniküre offers on Amazon and their price ranges. So they are on the more steep side compared to their other competitors. And so far with the files that I've used, I do find that they are a little bit more durable, more thick, more grippy, more gritty. I don't know if they're going to last longer. So I'll definitely keep using this in future videos to keep you guys updated on the durability. So far, this curved file is working great. There is, even though the area where my left hand is touching and gripping the curved file is kind of rough. It has that chalkboard texture. It's not causing any damage to my skin as it files across the nail. So now I'm moving on to this, and I like to use this one to really pick out any gunk that may have gotten stuck in between the cracks and crevices of my nails. You guys have seen me use other glass files for this before, but it's a glass cuticle stick, I guess. So anyways, I like to use the pointy end, and this one has a really good point, might I add. It wasn't too sharp, but it's pointy, so you're not going to get a dull one. Well, at least I didn't receive a dull one. So now I'm going to try the larger glass file. I don't have my natural nails exposed. I have jelly tips on. So I'm just going to try the larger glass file on this hand where I have the jelly tips on, no dip powder, no other enhancement. and just see if I can like smooth out anything going on. It works great, to be honest. Like, it works as I had expected for a German glass file or anything that considers themselves like quality, good glass. It is good quality. I will say that. Very good quality. So I'm very impressed with the curved file, the work that it did around my cuticles, the stick on how it was able to clean out any gunk in the cuticle area. And you can see here in this photo how well it cleaned out the cuticle area and how well it carved out a nice cuticle area. So I'm going to talk about pricing and different color options right now. So what attracted me to this set, other than the products inside, was the different color options. So I got this slate blue gray, but I really like the different color options they have here on the website. So I'm going to go through them right now. That's like this camel color, black, blood color, I don't know what to call it, like a red. They're really gorgeous colors. And this set, the black one, oh my goodness, I wanted this one, but it was a little more expensive. It is so stunning. And if $39 to $43 is a little too much for you, they actually do sell a suede set with the same exact products and tools inside of it for $36. So it's suede instead of leather, but same products on the inside. So all in all, I find the price very reasonable, and I actually compared it to their competitors and tallied up what this would cost at the competitors' rate, and it is around the same price. You have to factor in the case that it comes with. So that is my review for this Germaniküre manicure glass set. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!